Uh, Good morning to Indira Gandhi National Open University Regional Center Mumbai learners. As you are all aware, Indira Gandhi National Open University conducting term and examinations June 2021 across the country through offline mode. As a part of it, as per the directions of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Regional Center Mumbai also made all the arrangements as per the guidelines received from Student Evaluation Division. The arrangements at all the examination centers made perfectly by following COVID-19 protocol and other instructions issued by the government of India as well as Maharashtra state government. IGNOU Regional Center Mumbai is conducting this June 2021 term and examinations in 8 examination centers such as 1601, that is KJ Somaya College of Arts Commerce College located in Vidya Vihar. 1603 Sathe College located in Ville Parle. 1615 Tarapur Vidya Mandir located in Tarapur. 1632 Mahatma Education Society's Pillai College of Engineering located in Navi Mumbai, that is New Panvel. We are having the examination center in 49018, that is People's Education Society located in Bhiwandi. We are having examination center 49033 at BMN College of Home Sciences located in Matunga. We have another examination center 49050 Seva Sadan College of Education located Ullasnagar. We have last examination center 49054 Chandrabhan Sharma College of Arts, Commerce and Science located in Powai. These examination centers have given utmost care regarding the protocol of COVID-19. All the examination halls are sanitized and sanitizer bottles have kept in the entrance board. Seating plan has been prepared and fixed in the notice board, and every day they are giving the seating plan in the examination room, entrance of the examination room. All the invigilators as well as the this exam center staff are oriented by the regional center, and the exam center superintendent is monitoring closely about the facilities and conducting the examination. Dear learners, IGNOU takes care about the students' health. That's why our authorities have instructed all the regional centers and the examination centers to follow the COVID-19 protocol compulsory, and these facilities and all type of the arrangements including the sanitization, other facilities at the examination center. As a regional director under the regional center of Mumbai, examination centers are under the surveillance of the regional director. Every day we are having the interaction with the exam center superintendents and all the arrangements I'm going to view through online, as well as we are visiting to our examination centers to monitor and examine the facilities made at the examination center. That's why I request all the students, no need to worry about the facilities at examination center. We have already communicated to the Maharashtra state government. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor has written a letter to Chief Secretary, Government of Maharashtra, about the examinations. Further, Regional Center Mumbai also has informed to the Railway Department as well as the Maharashtra state government to allow our students in the local trains as well as the public service buses by producing their hall ticket as well as the IGNO identity card. That's why there is no worry about your travel. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor and the other university authorities is all the time directing the regional centers, guiding regarding the conducting of term and examinations June 2021. Under the regional center Mumbai, if any student is having the issue related to your examination or any problem you are facing at the examination center, feel free to give your feedback through email rcmumbai@igno.ac.in. I am reading all the emails. All your feedback will be taken care, and the regional center is going to conduct these examinations with perfectness as well as following COVID-19 protocol as per the instructions, guidelines of the Indira Gandhi National Open University, Government of India guidelines and Maharashtra state government guidelines. We are following. We are going to conduct your examinations with perfectness. I hereby inform you one more important thing. Regional Center Mumbai is organizing every Friday online student grievance redressal drive. That is E-Shiksha Ki Baat Regional Director के साथ program. That Google link is already uploaded in our RC Mumbai website. Any student on Friday at 11 a.m. you can click that link and join. I am directly interacting with all the students and your issues will be resolved on spot. Further, we are trying to make zero student grievances under the Regional Center Mumbai. We all the time for the students. My dear learners, I wish you all the best for your June 2021 term and examinations. Take care about your health and your family health. Write well your examinations. I wish you once again all the best. Thank you, one and all.